Welcome back, it's the first Winter Works episode of 2024. We're going to head over to Skyforce and kick things off over there.
I'm Andy with the engineering department. We've just finished putting Skyforce seats on. We've had them off, we've had them inspected, tested and put back on, ready for next year. As soon as we finish building up down here though, we can't actually run it without the plane on up top. I don't know if you saw in a previous video the plane coming off. We need that up there as a counterweight, so the ride's finally balanced. We've got weight at one end, weight at the other end, so as it's rotating, one side's coming down as one side's going up. So without the plane up top, we still can't run it.
Hello, I'm Ryan. I'm electrician in the Pleasure Beach. So I've been since today to show you how the Skyforce works, how it gets rewired up. So basically what we've done is we've connected the Trolkin side back into the connectors. So during the winter it gets stripped down and it gets taken apart and serviced and checked and etc, etc. So what we've done is we basically just, as you'll see, we've put all the control side in, which does your left hand side, your right hand side of your inside. It also does your limit switches, which controls your lap bars and your hydraulic, etc. And that's pretty much it. And what you want to do is, on here, is you see they're all labelled, each one, so that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you go, and obviously your earth, and you'd go from, on your cables, a marking, so each one's marked, so you then take each cable, so obviously 1, and into 1, push your connector in, push that in, push it in, and obviously that's in now, and that's tight in.
So they're making sure Valhalla is nice and clean for the new season. I'm going to go up and help them jet wash, and you're going to come with us. A little bit damp and a little bit cold, but Valhalla is as clean as ever. So we're now going to head over to the workshop. I've heard they're working on a few different rides, so we'll see what we can film. So here, one of our mechanical engineers, Christian, is putting the steeplechase bumpers back together. The steeplechase bumpers are used to take the impact of the ride. These parts are now being lubricated with grease so they go in smoothly. Now attaching the shafts to the bumper, they're going to be used to hold the elastic bands on. These elastic bands are really strong. We're now going to go and speak to Alex, who's working on Avalanche.
These are avalanche safety brakes. So what we did is before Christmas we took them off the ride, brought them down, and I stripped the brake liners off from them. They then got sent away for blasting, brought back and painted in-house, and now I'm just riveting the brake liners back onto the brake shoe. The thing that holds the brake liners into the brake shoe are rivets. So I'm just going to start by placing them all in position. I'm good now to secure the rivets in place.
Now the parts are all finished, they're ready to be fitted back onto the track. We hope you enjoyed the first episode back of 2024. There'll be much more to come, so stay tuned!